In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an image into a silhouette in PowerPoint with just 3 clicks. Yes, you heard that right, a simple, quick process that can transform your images with minimal effort. This technique is perfect for presentations where you want to add a touch of creativity without spending too much time on design. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you haven't already done so, launch the application and prepare your workspace. PowerPoint is a versatile tool, not just for slideshows but also for basic image editing. It's perfect for this task because it's something almost everyone has access to and can use easily. Next, navigate to the PowerPoint presentation where you want to work on your image. Open the specific file, ensuring it contains the slide where you'd like your silhouette to appear. If your presentation is blank, not to worry, you can add a slide by going to the Home tab and selecting New Slide. With your presentation open, click on the image you'd like to transform into a silhouette. If the image isn't already on a slide, insert it by dragging and dropping from your files or using the Insert Picture option in the Insert tab, which allows you to upload the desired image from your device. Once your image is selected, direct your attention to the Picture Format tab located on the toolbar. The Picture Format tab is a powerful tool where you can modify and enhance your images, and it's what we'll be focusing on to create the silhouette effect. Now click on the Corrections option within the Picture Format tab. This brings up a range of options. You'll notice various picture corrections meant to adjust the brightness and contrast of your image. For our silhouette effect, this section is quite handy. Your next move is to choose the darkest color available from the corrections panel. This option will alter the contrast and reduce the details, helping you achieve a basic silhouette effect. It dramatically simplifies the image, leaving you with clear, bold outlines. Following this, click on the color option, also found in the Picture Format tab. This option allows further customization of the image's hue, saturation, and overall color tone. In the color menu, choose the darkest color once again. This step is crucial as it will finalize your image transformation by giving it the distinctive black and white look typical of a silhouette. By doing this, you'll remove nearly all other colors, enhancing the silhouette effect and giving it a professional finish. And there you have it. You've quickly transformed your image into a stunning silhouette, perfect for making your presentation visually striking and engaging. This approach not only saves time but also utilizes PowerPoint's built-in capabilities efficiently. Thank you for watching and happy creating.